Can I get Google on my Sony Smart TV? Google services such as Google Search, Google Chrome, and Google Assistant are available on many Sony Smart TVs depending on the model and operating system. Sony TVs running Android TV or Google TV have built-in Google features, while older models may require alternative methods to access Google services. 1. Checking if your Sony Smart TV supports Google. Sony Smart TVs that use Android TV or Google TV come with built-in Google services, including Google Assistant and Google Play Store. To check if your TV supports Google, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences, then About for Android TV, or Settings then System then About for Google TV. Look for Android TV or Google TV in the system details. If your TV runs on Android or Google TV, Google services are already available. 2. Accessing Google Search and Chrome on a Sony Smart TV. While Google Search is integrated into Google Assistant, Sony TVs do not have a built-in Google Chrome browser. However, you can use Google Search by pressing the Google Assistant button on your remote and using voice commands, opening the Google Play Store, downloading a third-party web browser, and using it for Google searches, casting Google Chrome from a mobile device to your Sony Smart TV. 3. Using Google Assistant on a Sony Smart TV. If your Sony TV supports Google Assistant, follow these steps to activate it. Press and hold the Google Assistant button on your remote. Speak a command such as search for movies or what's the weather today. Google Assistant will process your request and display results on your TV screen, casting Google Chrome from a smartphone or laptop. If your Sony TV does not have a built-in web browser, you can cast Google Chrome from another device. Ensure your Sony Smart TV and phone.laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Google Chrome on your device. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Cast. Choose your Sony TV from the list, and your browser will appear on the TV screen. If your Sony Smart TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, you can access Google Assistant and search features directly. If not, you can use an external device or casting method to access Google services. Checking your TV's compatibility will help you find the best way to use Google on your Sony Smart TV.